Checking the daily high temperature is the single biggest mistake beginners make. A 60-degree day can lead to hypothermia if you ignore wind speed and precipitation timing. Most weather apps only show a daily summary, but mountains create their own dangerous microclimates. You need the hourly forecast. A sunny morning often tricks hikers into walking straight into a planned afternoon storm that traps them exposed on a ridge. Look at rain timing, not just percentage. A 40% chance of rain at 2 p.m. is a no-go for a long hike because that's exactly when you are furthest from your car. If you get wet while wearing cotton or light gear, your body loses heat 25 times faster. Wind is the invisible danger. It strips away your body heat layers instantly. If the forecast says 50 degrees Fahrenheit but winds are 20 miles per hour, it feels near freezing. Never assume the trailhead temperature is the same as the summit temperature. In summer, the rule is simple: be off the summit by noon. Thunderstorms often build rapidly in the early afternoon due to rising heat. If you see vertical cloud development or hear thunder, turn around immediately, even if you haven't reached the top. On the flip side, avoid hiking if the heat index hits the danger zone. High humidity prevents sweat from evaporating, making it physically impossible for your body to cool down. If the combined temperature and humidity are high, pick a shorter, shaded trail. Don't just check today's weather, check yesterday's. Heavy rain usually means dangerous mud, swollen creek crossings, and slippery rocks today. If it stormed for 24 hours prior, give the trail a full day to dry out to avoid injury and trail damage. The mountain will be there next week. The goal of a beginner is to build confidence, not survive an ordeal. If the forecast makes you nervous or requires specific survival gear to handle, simply stay home. There is no shame in turning back. Use this go/no-go checklist before leaving. If you check any red flag box, cancel the hike, or change the location to a safe local park. Prioritize safety over the summit. Respect the weather, trust your gut, and hike another day.